So just like we talked about in the introduction slideshow about our contour line, continuous contour line, and blind contour line, you are going to focus on contour line first. So a contour line drawing, just to remind you, is a drawing where you are simply drawing the outline or outer edges of the object. So the object we're going to focus on is this leaf, and I'm going to use this as my reference, and I'm going to observe it, and I'm going to draw it. But before I do that, I need to set my paper up. So just like any other thing that we do, this is going to take practice. So on our Google site, you guys will see the way that you should set this up. So you are going to do 12 total drawings with each type of contour line. So notice I'm using my ruler to make this nice and neat because you will be turning these in. So I'm just going to do 12 or 6 sections on the front, and then I would turn my paper over on the back and do 6 sections on the back as well. So what a contour line drawing, if it's just the outer edges and the outline of an object, you are simply just going to draw the different edges and all the outlines of this. This is where it's important to remember to draw what we see. So don't draw the leaf that you think you're seeing, draw what you see. All right, so I'm going to do one of these just to kind of show you guys. So sit tight and just watch this as I go. All right, so reflecting on the drawing that I've just done, I already see some areas of growth that I need to do and slow down and take my time on. So I noticed that I had this guy a little bit too small, and I could do a little bit better job on some of these outlines of the edges of the leaves and paying attention to the actual shapes of them. So what you're going to do is you're going to do this 6 times on the front and then turn it over and do it 6 more times. These really shouldn't take you too long. Spend about 3 to 4 minutes on each one and do what I just kind of talked about. Look back at each one. Remember, we are practicing drawing what we see. So think about those ways that you can then take where you've messed up and fix it into your next one. So you will work through these pretty quickly, and you can each use a leaf, and then we will get moving on to our next piece of the drawing project and drawing stations. Also remember that a contour line drawing is the outline or outer edges of something. So on this leaf, I drew some of the details in the actual leaf part. Spend a little bit of time, think about how you can show those and make them a little bit more detailed. All right, now you can go ahead, and once you get those 12 done, you can move on and start on your continuous contour line drawing.